In this video, I will show you how you can split the screen on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the app which you want to open in split screen view. For an example, I will open this app. Now after you do that, then just go to the recent app section. Now over here, just tap on the app icon which you want to open in split screen view. And from this pop-up menu, just select Open in Split Screen View. After you do that, you will open the selected app in split screen view. Now at the bottom of the screen, just select any other app which you want to open in split screen view. For an example, I will select the Contacts app. Now as you can see, we have opened two apps in split screen view. If you want to increase or decrease the size of the window, just drag these three dots, just like that, and you will be able to increase or decrease the size of the windows. And if you want to switch between the places of the apps, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on the arrow icon just like that. And by doing that, you will switch between the places of the apps. Now if you tap on the bar at the top of the app, you will find a few shortcuts. Now you can either open the app in a pop-up window or you can close the selected app. And also you have the option to open the app in full screen view, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.